So in music, we have something called the musical alphabet, which gives us the names of all the different notes. And we use the first 7 letters of the alphabet, going from A all the way to G, and we continue just like that. Now, the way we find an A is just like this. We go to middle C. From here, we go left 2 notes. 1, 2, and this note right here is the A. Now from this A, it goes A, B, C, D, E, F, and then G. Now here's where the musical alphabet comes in. It doesn't go to H, instead it goes back to A again, and that is your first octave in music.